I've been thinking a lot about personal growth and what it takes to really transform our lives and mindsets. For me, breakthroughs represent those pivotal moments when everything clicks into place, and suddenly, we're seeing things from a completely new perspective. It's like a veil lifts, and we're able to tap into our full potential. These moments can be life-changing, and I believe that everyone has the potential to experience them. One of the biggest hurdles that holds us back from achieving breakthroughs is fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of what others might think. It's a powerful force that can keep us stuck in our comfort zones. Self-doubt is another major obstacle. When we don't believe in ourselves or our abilities, it's hard to take the risks necessary for growth. Lack of clarity can also be a significant barrier. When we're unclear about what we want or where we're headed, it's easy to get stuck. And then there are the voices of others, people who might doubt us or tell us that we're crazy for pursuing our dreams. But what if we could overcome these barriers? What if we could find a way to push past fear and self-doubt and tap into our inner strength and resilience? For me, it starts with goal setting. When we set clear, achievable goals, we create a roadmap for success. Seeking support is also crucial. Having people who believe in us and are willing to encourage us along the way can make all the difference. And then there's embracing failure. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but failure can be a powerful teacher. When we're willing to take risks and face our fears, we open ourselves up to new experiences and learning opportunities. I'd like to share a story that inspires me. It's about a friend who had always dreamed of starting her own business. Despite her fears and doubts, she took the leap and started working on her idea. It wasn't easy. There were plenty of setbacks and challenges along the way, but she persisted, and eventually her business took off. Today, she's living her dream and inspiring others to do the same. Her story is a testament to the power of persistence and the idea that breakthroughs are within reach when we're willing to take action. In reflecting on our conversation, I want to leave you with the idea that breakthroughs are possible for all of us. They require effort and dedication, but the payoff is well worth it. If you're ready to experience your own breakthrough, I encourage you to start by taking small steps towards your goals. If you've experienced a breakthrough in your own life, I'd love to hear about it. Please share your story in the comments below. And if you're interested in more insights on personal growth, be sure to check out my next video.